about how can you enable private account in Wombo Dream. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable private account, you just simply have to open Dream application. And after opening the Wombo Dream, you will get to see a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to select this profile icon into the bottom right corner, and from there go to gear option, and you are gonna see a lot of settings in here. Now you will get this option of private account in here. Now if you would like to enable private account, you will just simply have to enable this toggle, or if you'd like to disable, you just simply have to disable this toggle. And by doing those very easy steps, you can easily enable or disable private account in Wombo Dream. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.